It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up. Gago. Unitil. Anong ginagawa mo?
Sorry, another one. Alright. Alright, Noel. Happy birthday, Noel.
Happy birthday, Nathan, pare.
There you go. Master Andrew.
Hello.
There he is. Going down.
Saksak. Ay, tatama pala.
Sir Francis, right there. Yellow one. Kuya Mel. Follow me, Mita, right here, right now. Rusty, let's go. Papi. Jalan. Kayam din talakay, let's go. Oh, madyak puligos niya, e-bike na. Lebron. Green. Okay. Gonna go. Agungat down. Following Rene. Oh. Nahit ko yung kahoy. Shit. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good though, guys. Three after. Oh shit! Another one. Okay, lakay. Nanipressure ako si machine eh.
Ganyan pala kapag may malaking tao sa likod ko. Pressure ko. The pressure is real. Machine. My first time, hindi ko alam anong ginagawa ko dito. Malaki ng mga bato, nakakatawag dito, guys. My first time over here. I don't know what to do. What I'm doing, I never seen this rocks before. Big rocks. Crazy rock. Scary rock. So enjoy my video, guys. Here right now. Let's go. And then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me. Thank you, guys.
Ah. Shout out sa mga kurot ko sa Luis Cristo. Pedal boys. Especially sa rescue rider. Yung kasi invite sa machine.
Don't worry guys, I'm okay, I'm good. Yung natumba ko, I'm good. Guys, you guys must try over here in Southern Arizona. It's beautiful. Beautiful view, I like the rock. Yung ganda mga form na pintas. Try nyo guys.
Saan ba yung daanan dyan? Dyan. Yan.
If you're a mountain biker, you should try it. You just, you know, try it once in a while. You just live once. It's beautiful out here. Yeah, you can't do it anymore when you get old, really old. So, awanan, hamukayan to, no, lakay kayo, may yung to try dati guys. Try yo, may kayo. Napintas, mayat, naimas.
Sa Lebron. Wow, galing niya. Ready? Oh. Slow, a little bit. Oh shit. Nathan. Oh shit. It's good. Sige, wala ka.
Kahit dalawa ba yung
Sige ka. Oo. Gagaling nila, man. Look at that.
Galit pa si machine.
break lang.
When?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Walang-wala nga yan sa mga tinitira na.